You're bidding on an EDCO Model 2 EC. This has got a 1.5 horsepower Baldor motor. This came out of a closed shop that went out of business. This is a foreclosed asset sale where it came from. That's a twin disc. You want to turn them on, please? Go on. It's got a 2-speed control, it looks like. Flick it. Okay, you can turn it off. Turn them off. Alright, and stand it up, please. This is what it is. This is not a repaint. This is just as you see it, where it came out of the shop. I'll have some individual shots on this also. Very nice unit. Fully operational. Comes with a ton of accessories here. You got a bunch of these. You got stones. You got diamond cutters. You got a bunch of scarfers, frames, a bunch of wheels, and whatever it takes to put those back together. Comes with a nice heavy-duty cord. It looks like it's about a 50-foot cord. Nice heavy-duty unit. This is what it is. It's got a shipping weight on a skid of about 225 pounds. Is that right? 225 we figured? Yeah, 225 pounds. Good luck bidding.